early in the morning, about to hit 3 a.m. Normally I don't make big impulse decisions like the one I just did now. But I gotta say, this one's gonna be worth it. I've never been to this place, nor have I have flown in a while. Actually, I haven't flown in a while. I haven't been on a plane in a while. I don't even know if you guys can see me. I'm just shooting in the dark right now. But man, I'm super excited. Going with a few friends, Henry. And yeah, you know, just every once in a while I feel like this is something that everyone should do, and I'm gonna get to that as this vlog continues. We're gonna definitely see what's going to happen in the next day or two. And man, I'm just excited. Get this vlog rolling. So if you're currently watching, just, you know, hang in there and let's see what happens. Now got Mario, got Henry, got Chris gonna take us. Right now he's taking us to where we need to go in order to get where we want to go.
First stop, gas station, it's not working.
Just made it to Bush. And my glasses are falling. We gotta take some toilet paper just in case.
You got your ID?
Yeah, it's in my wallet. So they're all using y'all using y'all's passports and stuff. I don't have a passport. I'm just using my.
I have my ID, but it's expired.
ID.
That's a renewal.
It's the gray one, huh?
Yeah.
This is nice, man. I have a charger.
Yeah.
If you wanna.
I think I brought it.
Currently boarding the flight to Denver, Colorado. I got my jacket on because you know the weather is going to be significantly different in Texas as in everything else.
You can't really see much.
Welcome to Lane Park.
Overall flight experience.
My lower back does hurt. Henry. the ring.
Little tiny things. The airport way over there.
When the hunger strikes, where else place to go than good old Chick-fil-A? I don't see what the debate is. I don't see what the debate is between Popeyes and Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is undefeated, man. There's no, I don't even see no Popeyes in sight over here. Where's Popeyes at? But we're in Colorado. I ain't gonna see that many Popeyes out here.
This it just does not compare. Video doesn't compare to seeing it in person. It's just crazy.
Hello. Day pass for you?
Yes.
25.
Yep.
And so we just go and we look for parking.
Yeah.
And
Are
any
you
of
trying
the
to hike?
yes.
Beautiful. So this is the reason why we came to Colorado. Henry, he's very good at planning trips and whatnot, doing the technical stuff, the flights and everything super cheap. So we're actually here to check out the mountains. Man, it is amazing. We passed by Boulder. We're actually in Eastis right now. Man, I can't get a good picture of it, or can't get a good view of it, but it's just amazing. We just wanted to do a little sightseeing and did a little impulse travel. What's that?
Chipmunks.
Chipmunks.
Here.
Let's
Here.
look in.
Look at that blue bird. You see it?
Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I can see him. I got him. That bird there. I don't know if y'all can really see the color of it, but it's called the Stellar's Jay. Right there. There he is. Right there. Chipmunks. Oh, don't want to scare him. There it is, a wild Henry laying on its back, playing on the iPhone. If I could just get closer to this creature without disturbing it, maybe I can touch it.
Bruh.
I almost slipped. Yeah, I would have paid for that. But coming to Colorado is just like makes you question where would you want to live potentially because of the scenery, the climate, of course, all this greatness. And this is not even the tip of the iceberg of what we want to see. We're trying to go to
Rocky Mountain National Park.
yes.
Well, how'd you get
What he
there?
said. It's down here. It's on the side. Yeah, so that's the goal. That's where we're trying to go. And we passed a Boulder. We could have stopped at Boulder, but we want to keep going and see everything because today's really our main day. We literally, got off the flight this morning, or we left Texas around 3 a.m. got here, and then from here hurry up, got our rental car, just took off. So that's it. We on the road, folks. I'm gonna attack you. There you go, Henry, doing a little bird whispering. Damn. Never mind.
It's kind of hard to.
See if we can feed the chipmunk. Give me one of these. Have y'all fed any? No, go back. There we go. No. It's well worth it, even though it's 2 days. Well worth it.
Now we know, man. Now we know this was just a random YOLO trip. And now we know for next time.
Now we know for next time. We can plan it better. Do a little more.